Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily cancel your Qatar Airways flight reservation step by step. So first step is open your browser and visit the Qatar Airways official website. So you can search this link right here, or you can even open the Qatar Airways mobile application. This is available on iOS and Android. Then after that, just click on login at the top right corner of the screen and then enter your email, club ID and the password. Then click on manage booking. Then you just have to enter your booking reference or the PNR and also your last name. So click on retrieve booking, and then once you're done clicking that, um, once your booking is loaded, you can locate the flight that you wish to cancel. So you just have to click on it to expand the details of the booking. Now look for the cancel flight or modify button. So you will see it in there once you click on the flight and then click on cancel. Now, review the cancellation terms and refund condition. Maybe they will have like the um more fees like that. And then once you're done with reviewing all the details, you just have to confirm your cancellation. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!